Have you ever wondered how you can make more money in 2024? Welcome to our guide, intended to navigate you through the diverse sea of opportunities. From digital platforms to local markets, we've got it all covered. Stay tuned as we explore the top ways to make money in 2024. Digital platforms have opened doors for lucrative opportunities. Our world is becoming increasingly connected, and the internet has become a bustling marketplace where anyone with a skill, a product, or an idea can find success. Consider freelancing. It's a fantastic way to capitalize on your skills and talents without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, or a software developer, there's a high demand for freelance work in a variety of fields. Then, there's the booming industry of online courses. With the rise of digital platforms, sharing knowledge has never been easier. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not create an online course to share with eager learners worldwide? The digital world is your oyster, ready to be explored for opportunities. Remember, in this age of information, leveraging the power of digital platforms can be a game changer for your financial future. The best investment you can make is in yourself. It's a powerful statement that rings true every day. The world is ever changing, and to keep up, we must adapt and learn. Your skills, knowledge, and abilities are the keys to unlocking opportunities. Make it a point to learn something new every day. Whether it's brushing up on your coding skills, learning a new language, or taking a course on entrepreneurship, the more skills you acquire, the more valuable you become. But it's not just about acquiring skills. Networking is crucial. Connecting with others in your field or areas of interest can open doors you never knew existed. Share your ideas, learn from others, and build relationships. The people you meet today could be your future business partners, mentors, or even clients. Let's not forget that personal growth and development also mean taking care of your health, both physical and mental. A healthy mind and body are essential for productivity and success. Remember, your network is your net worth. Let's talk about the magic of technology. In our modern world, technology has become an integral part of our lives, and it's continually creating new avenues for income. Let's dive into two of these: e-commerce and app development. E-commerce, the buying and selling of goods online, has seen a surge in popularity over the past few years. It's a flexible option that allows you to sell almost anything, from handmade crafts to digital products. With the right marketing strategy, you could tap into a global customer base. Then there's app development. With the majority of the world's population owning a smartphone, the demand for innovative and useful apps is high. By learning how to develop and monetize an app, you could earn a substantial income. So whether you're tech-savvy or willing to learn, these opportunities could be a game changer. Remember, technology has the power to transform your financial future. The world of investing and trading awaits you. An intriguing realm where fortunes are made, and sometimes lost. It's all about understanding the basics and navigating the waters with wisdom. Let's dive in. First, the stock market. Think of it as a marketplace for buying and selling pieces of businesses, or as we know them, stocks. The key is to buy shares of companies you believe will grow in value over time. Remember, it's not about quick wins, it's about long-term growth. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrencies. They are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others offer opportunities for significant gains. But remember, the world of crypto is highly volatile. Prices can skyrocket and plummet dramatically within hours. Always do thorough research and be prepared for any outcome. Investing and trading can be your goldmine if done wisely. So, get your thinking caps on and let's make some smart money moves. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Now that's a thought that can bring a smile to anyone's face. One of the ways to make this dream a reality is through passive income streams. Let's dive into two of these: rental property and affiliate marketing. Rental property is a classic passive income stream. You purchase a property, rent it out, and voila, you've got a steady stream of income. The trick is in finding a property that requires minimal upkeep, has reliable tenants, and is located in an area with a strong rental market. On the other hand, affiliate marketing is a digital passive income stream. It involves promoting a product or service on your platform and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require a hefty initial investment. So whether you're a real estate mogul or a digital nomad, passive income streams can be your ticket to financial freedom. The gig economy is on the rise. Indeed, it's a dynamic world where flexible, freelance, and temporary positions are commonplace, and businesses contract with independent workers for short-term engagements. Let's dive into the realm of ride-sharing, for example. With platforms like Uber and Lyft, you can turn your vehicle into a money-making machine. You set your schedule, you choose your passengers, and you're off to the races. It's a fantastic way to transform your idle assets into cash. And then there's task-based services. Websites like TaskRabbit or Fiverr connect you with people looking for specific skills or services. From assembling furniture to designing a logo, the range of tasks is vast. You choose the jobs that match your skills and availability, and voila, you're earning money on your terms. The beauty of the gig economy is its flexibility. It's a world where you're at the helm, steering your income based on your preferences and availability. Gig jobs can be a great way to earn extra money. Let's talk about making money while making a difference. In recent years, sustainable and ethical investments have emerged as powerful tools to address global challenges while generating financial returns. By investing in green energy, for instance, you don't just put your money into a rapidly growing sector, but you also support a cause that's crucial for our planet's future. Similarly, socially responsible investing focuses on companies that follow ethical practices, respect human rights, and prioritize environmental sustainability. This approach not only aligns your financial goals with your values, but also promotes businesses that are making positive impacts. Moreover, such investments often prove to be resilient in turbulent market conditions and could offer stable returns over the long term. So, by choosing sustainable and ethical investments, you're not just thinking about the future of your finances, but also the future of our world. Sustainable and ethical investments are the future of investing. Local markets are full of opportunities. And we're not just talking about farmers markets. There's a world of potential right in your own backyard. Starting a small business can be a rewarding endeavor. Whether it's a cozy coffee shop, a unique boutique, or a personalized service, local businesses are often welcomed with open arms by the community. They not only contribute to the local economy, but also add a touch of personality to the neighborhood. Engaging in local markets is another way to tap into the potential of your region. Participating in local trade shows, farmers markets, or craft fairs can offer valuable exposure for your brand. It's also an excellent way to connect with your community on a personal level, build relationships, and understand their needs and preferences. Remember, every large corporation started as a small venture. Don't underestimate the potential of your local market. Local opportunities can be a goldmine if explored properly. Content is king. This phrase has become a mantra in the digital world, and for good reason. From blogging to vlogging and podcasting, content creation has emerged as an innovative way to generate income. Take blogging, for example. By sharing your thoughts, experiences, or expertise, you can attract an audience and monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or product reviews. Vlogging, on the other hand, brings a visual perspective to your content. With platforms like YouTube, you can share your world through engaging videos and earn money through ad revenues, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Then there's podcasting. This audio-based medium has exploded in popularity, offering a platform for conversations, interviews, or storytelling. With a loyal listener base, podcasters can leverage sponsorships, listener donations, or premium content to generate income. Each of these avenues requires creativity, authenticity, and a willingness to connect with your audience. But when done right, content creation can be a rewarding way to make money. Knowledge is power. It's an age-old adage, but it bears repeating in the context of earning money. One of the most effective ways to maximize your income is to stay informed. That means keeping up with the latest financial news. News about the economy, stock market trends, and financial policies can directly and indirectly impact your money-making strategies. For instance, understanding the shifts in the job market or the changes in the digital landscape can provide you with insights on where to direct your efforts and investments. But staying informed isn't just about keeping an eye on the news. It's also about continuous learning. It's about understanding the nuances of financial planning and getting savvy with your money management. This could mean learning about how to balance a portfolio, or it could mean understanding the tax implications of your income streams. Remember, the world of finance is ever-changing. Staying informed, adaptable, and proactive can help you navigate through these changes. Staying informed can be your key to financial success. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money in 2024. From embracing digital opportunities through freelancing and online courses, investing in yourself and leveraging technology, to exploring the gig economy and sustainable investments. There are also local opportunities to consider along with content creation and staying informed about financial news. Each avenue offers unique possibilities and challenges, and it's about finding the right fit for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these options today. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share it with your circles and subscribe. Join us on this journey to financial freedom. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And that's a wrap. Don't miss out on our other enlightening videos linked right here. Follow us on our social media channels for more insights and updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring new opportunities.